install na natin guys yung busina. Yan guys, ito yung relay, tas ginawa nating rapid. Ayan guys, may rapid yan guys. Oh, dalawang busina na loud horn. Ayan guys, try natin, install na natin. Open na pala. Ayan guys, oh. Rapid guys. Ayan. Yes. Pa. Tas ito naman yung sa mini driving light. May mini driving light. Yan. Yung sa busina. Kasi ito guys, yung mini driving light guys. Oh. Mga gusto magpa-install dyan guys. Yan. May dalawa tayong available na mini driving light. Yan. Yan guys. Version 9. Ito na. Wala dito yung version 5. Puro version 9 ang nasa baba. Yung version 5 ako doon guys. Right boy. Yan. Yan, double contact na signal light. Tas sa right, hazard boy. Ayan, hazard. Mini driving light.
Driving light.
Tas high. Yan. Tas busina. Yan, rapid. Tas bukas ka ng mini driving light boy. Tas busina. Ayan, meron din yan. I-high mo boy. Tas busina boy. Yan, naka-rapid yan guys. Yan. Hazard. Tas mini driving light. Tas busina. Yan. Ayan guys, oh. Naka-rapid guys. Tas yung headlight. Main headlight. Headlight. Wala. Ayun. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Mini driving light. Grabe liwanag na yan guys, oh. Yan. Yan guys, pag umilaw yan guys, oh. Rapid mo boy. Rapid. Busina. Yan. Mini driving light. Tas rapid. Yan. Tas high. Rapid. Yan. Yan guys. Basic.